Now the last part, summary of asset or the finance is what you need for the visa. I have already given in your free seminar also this summary sheet. This is a whole summary for any country, for any student visa, the whole same list is required. I'll just roughly explain what documents you need to carry. All the financial document to be carried in original. How much money to be shown? It depends on your college. Whatever the college expense is there, based on that I will tell you how much money is to be shown. As per the US law, as per the US rule, 1 year of a total expense is should be shown in a liquid money. Total expense means tuition, staying, eating, books, everything as per the US law. And second year, planning. If you are doing a bachelor's degree, then third, fourth year planning. Okay, how are you going to manage the remaining fund? But first year has to be liquid. What do you mean by liquid? What item will come in liquid? In general, I am talking fixed deposit, saving account, your business account. Then many business people have a overdraft limit or CC limit. That is also liquid because you can withdraw that money anytime. Then your credit card limit, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, that is also liquid. You can use it anytime. Liquid in which you can cash it anytime. Investment in real estate. If you have more than one flat, then second flat can be treated as a liquid, but not for the first year, for the second year, because first year though you need pure liquid, means FD, saving. Achha, what else will come? Mutual fund and shares, that also can be shown as a liquid. Then student loan, entire student loan is treated as liquid. Even 2 year of full expense or 1 year of full expense you can show as a student loan. Embassy do accept student loan as a liquid. Scholarship, those who got any scholarship from the college or from any trust or anywhere, that is also pure liquid. And lastly, your post, whatever investment in post, all that is treated as pure liquid. So this 10 item, except that investment in real estate, is normally treated as a pure liquid. This should be minimum equal to 1 year of your expense. Is it very clear? Whatever amount comes on I-20, it means this I-20, as you can see, the total expense is $92,000 for 1 year. Obviously, Carnegie Mellon is one of the top-notch college of the world and one of the most expensive also. So when you go for the visa, student has to show this much liquidity, 92,000 US dollar. It means if you convert into rupees, approximately into 68. So around 62 lakh, whatever, 60 to 65 lakh, that much liquid means readily available fund has to be there. And if the course is for 2 years, second year, how we are going to pay that planning, that way. Now, what else we are showing? See, after showing liquid money, paying for your fees, parents should be left with something. So we also show their next 2 years of income. We can show gold, then we can show LIC policy. It is on your name or parents' name. All that should be shown actually, because then more the money, more the case is strong, because you have enough funding. One of the main reason for visa rejection is you are not able to convince the visa officer that you have enough funds. So fund has to be very strong. PF, PPF. Now LIC, gold, PF, PPF, all this is treated as semi-liquid, and that is mainly used for the parents, so that will not be used for you. But yet we show that after paying my fees also, we have enough funds left. It is very obvious that if I have all the money for my son, then what I will eat? So it's very obvious that I should have more funds. And lastly, your immovable assets, house, your factory, your farmhouse, whatever. So all that has to be shown. And 3 years of parents or sponsors income has to be shown. Last 3 years of income. What proof? Either income tax return, those are doing job can show form 16. And many times students ask me, sir, whose money can be shown? So we can show everyone's money. Means, for example, if I am a student, I can show my own money, I can show my father mother's money, I can show my grandparents, means both the side, father side and mother side, dada dadi, nana nani, both the sides I can show. Uncle auntie on both the side, even their money we can show, means they can also sponsor you. All you need is one small sponsorship letter declaring that I would like to sponsor my grandson or my nephew for his education in US. and my financial document are attached here with. You need to carry all original financial document when you go for the visa. Whatever you are showing, all original proof. All FD, then original FD receipts, bank, then saving account, passbook. If you don't have a passbook, last 1 year of bank statements. Whatever you are carrying, all original proof has to be carried. Stock market, then you need a the printout. Now it comes in a bank account, so you can take a printout of last month and that you can show. House and all, either you can show agreement, or you can show the share certificate of the society, or you can show the monthly maintenance bill. But it should be in English only. Everything should be in English.
So how do we show the value of the house?
Value in Bombay, you can straight away write 1 crore. Nobody will ask you questions. And this is not used for your education. But if it is not in Bombay, some village and all, then you have to do the government approved evaluator has to do the evaluation of it.
Okay, but Bombay, because we can around 3-4.
Bombay, whatever, 1 crore, 2 crore you can write, they don't ask. And if you want a proof, you can carry the Times of India, Property Times comes with the rate. So you can carry that with you. You don't need evaluation. See, many counselors unnecessarily make you do evaluation and they earn some money from it. He will charge 5 to 10,000 extra from you. Why you want to pay that money? It's not required. It is not used for paying your fees.
Yeah.
If you are showing the real estate as an investment, as a liquid asset, then you need a evaluation to be done. That is also if it is not in Bombay. Bombay and all big cities, everybody knows all over the world, not India. Anywhere you go, big cities, the houses are very expensive. So whatever the roughly value you can write, and visa officer will never doubt it. They are also aware that Bombay is one of the most expensive place.
So just one last. Gold, you said.
Gold we can show 10, 15 like whatever you have. That is normally in India all the female have.
Show more.
If you are showing more, if you genuinely have, then you can show. But how much visa officer will count it, I don't know. Because not your fault. Many times people, not show real. But if you want to show gold, you need the jewelers, government approved jewelers evaluation. You can show more if you want to show more. Whatever item you are showing, you need a proof, a solid proof. Then only you can show. Whatever you are showing in summary of asset, all these items, you need a solid proof that. Then you can even take a sponsorship from third party from abroad. Means you have some uncle, auntie, or even family friend in US, Canada, Saudi, wherever, anywhere in the world, even they can sponsor you. And lastly, someone from India also, means a family friend in India can sponsor you. It is not necessary that uncle, auntie can only sponsor.
So all they have to send is one sponsorship letter.
And their financial document, their documents also, everything, their entire financial thing. If I am a third party, means I am not your uncle and I am giving you 30 lakh, then visa officer will ask by how much money I have. So I should be financially very, very strong, then only I can sponsor you. Even though I don't have a blood relation, we are family friends. But I should have a lot of money. So you have to prove to the visa officer that he has enough fund to give, he is giving me 20 or 30 lakhs. That way.
So
Now,
we can show multiple sponsors like
yes, you can. But on the visa form, who is paying for a trip? There is one question where you write the main sponsor name, either father or whatever. But while telling the visa officer, you can tell that my family and my friends are sponsoring me. Now, what document you need to carry? For FD, as I told you, you need a original FD receipt. Then for saving account, either passbook or monthly statement for last 1 year. Like we have sent to the college only the statement, that will not work. We need a passbook. Then for a business account last 3 months or 6 month bank statement, because the bulk is normally more. So then your CC limit, normally bank will give you a letter that how much is your CC limit, or on your business bank statement only they have mentioned on the right side your credit limit is so much. So that also can be shown. Credit card limit, your credit card statement has a credit card limit. So monthly statement comes to your home, that you can show as a proof. Investment in real estate, as I told you, either you can show the monthly maintenance bill or share certificate, monthly maintenance bill or share certificate, or you can show the agreement. But carrying agreement is too big, so they hardly ask. Immovable, they are not interested too much. They are mainly interested in cash, that way. Then mutual fund and share, you need a demat statement from the bank or a broker, stamp and sign with the present market value. Normally it has a present market value. Student loan, you need a approval letter. We don't need the check. We need the approval letter from the bank or from wherever you taken the loan. Then scholarship, obviously whatever trust has given you scholarship either from India or abroad, we need the letter. The trust has to be government approved. Then only embassy will accept. It has to be a reputed trust. Any bogus trust and all that they will not accept. Postal investment, we need all the original certificate or a passbook from the post like KVP, NSC or monthly, whatever you have, you need all original documents. Parents next 2 years of income or next 4 years of income, depending upon your last year income into 2, that will be a money which is going to come as a liquid. So that also you can show okay, next 2 years my father is going to earn. Suppose my income is 5 lakh, then parents next 2 years of income will be 10 lakh, 5 into 2. So you can write that 10 lakh because while studying that 10 lakh will be readily available to you that way as a cash. Gold and jewelry, till 10-15 lakh you don't need a proof. If you are showing very high amount, then you need a evaluation certificate from the government approved jeweler. It should be government approved. Some of the jewelers, they know that you ask them, then they charge for it based on the whatever 5,000 or whatever. But then if in case you want to show LIC and all other policy, you have to carry the original policy with you. All these values you will write the maturity value. All this value you will write maturity, whether FD or anything, because you don't need all the money at one time. You need only 6 month money. You are paying the tuition fee 6 month. You are not paying money for the whole 1 year. So you need to write the maturity value here. And I have shown the column in rupees also and column in dollar also. I have given you the soft copy of this also. So you can make necessary changes and send it to me. If you want me to have a quick review on the WhatsApp, you can write FD so much. Don't give me the breakup. I want total amount straight away. FD so much, saving so much. Send me on the WhatsApp. I'll immediately have access. If you send on the mail, I have to download and it takes time. What will be the heading? All of you write it carefully. Summary of asset of whatever your name. For example, her name is Shruti Gandhi. Then summary of asset of Shruti Gandhi and family. And family means uncle, auntie, grandparents, everybody. Summary of asset of your full name, Himanshu Brahmbhatt and family, or Shruti Gandhi or whatever name. This will be a heading. And remove the items which are not there. I have given you in a word format, so you can remove the extra items from here. Is it very, very clear? Once you approve the summary from me, then only you will go ahead with the taking a date. 2 things you have to get it approved from me. Summary of asset and visa interview, you have to answer me properly. Those who have not heard the summary of asset, I already explained. But again, I prefer that is more in depth what I explained on our DVD and mock interview. So I recommend that you come and hear that, because mock interview also been explained. For PF, PPF, we need the passbook. For PF, PPF, we need passbook. For house, factory or farmhouse, as I told you, we need either agreement, share certificate or monthly maintenance bill, and last 3 years of income proof, either tax returns or form 16 for a salaried people. Somewhere abroad, sometimes there are no tax. Someone is working in Saudi or Dubai or somewhere, there are no tax out there. So then the agreement with the company, your annual perk is so much. So that will also, some solid documented proof of your income or your sponsor income is required. Is it very clear? And you may not have all the document. Some will have some and some will not have some. Like for example, the business account, only those people who are doing business will have. Rest will have only saving account. So that's okay. So remove all those extra items from here. And this summary is my format. This is not a US Embassy format. But if you see carefully, I have given liquid on the top, semi-liquid in the middle and immovable at the end. So follow the exactly same order. Follow the same order, liquid on the top, semi-liquid and immovable. But don't give headings, let it be continuous. Because if you see, actually we can even from a semi-liquid we can take a loan and or we can sell it or we can get the money. So everything is strictly speaking is a liquid in a way. So don't give a separate heading, but just for your understanding, liquid, semi-liquid and lastly immovable. Is it very clear?
should this be mentioned separately for each individual or in all?
See, in 2 minute interview, they actually don't have time. So that's why and family. So when you send it to me also, FD, I don't want father and mother separate.
I'm done. Okay.
I want total, and even to the visa officer, sometimes they ask, show me the summary of asset, and our summary of asset, one of the visa officer have appreciated. Okay, wow, very nice form. Because at a glance, he comes to know, na? He don't have to, if you write breakup, where is going to add up all that? There is no time. If you want to keep a breakup, keep at the back, but one page should be a summary. Is it?
Okay, sir, it is not necessary to declare all our assets, sir. Once we have got adequate funds.
But
No, you should show all. Why to hide? There is no issue. Why you should hide the money? Show all. Always show all. The time of visa, show whatever maximum fund you can, because visas are given. One of the main thing in visa is fund. So obviously you have to show all whatever maximum you can. We should show. Why not? Why to lie? Why to hide? There is no reason.
Just suppose we forget something like
That is, by mistake you forget one or two items, they are not going to kill you. They want to make sure that you have enough fund to fund for your 2 years of studies. That way. But yours is a state supported, so cost is anyway very low. You are so lucky, top college, state supported, high rank, sasta, and you get TRA also. So go there and first send me a mail. Sir, RA mil gaya. Anyway, any other doubts?
Yes, sir.
Summary of asset is very clear. Fine. So we stop here today. Thanks.